Greetings, gamers! Today we're diving into the world of subtitles, specifically how to make those eye-catching gaming subtitles in DaVinci Resolve 18. Whether you're adding flair to your gameplay footage or making your gaming commentary stand out, we've got you covered. Let's jump right in. First, head over to the Effects library, find Text Plus, and add it to your timeline. Adjust the text to your liking. Pick a font, change the size, and position it where you want. Now, let's give it a cool background. Head over to the Shading tab located under the Text Plus settings. Here, find the Select Element option and select 3 and enable it. Also, go to 4 and also enable that. Now, head over to Appearance and click on the Text Outline button. Finally, set the background color to black and tweak the thickness to around 0.05. For some, this might be enough. But if you want to take it up a notch with dynamic text movements, here's how. Hold Alt and drag to copy the text. Go to the text settings, enable these keyframes and zoom out. Now, go to the end and zoom in. Also, move the text position like this, out of the screen. But what about tracking your text over specific elements, like a gun or a character's head? Easy! Use the square box to use the middle dot as a reference point. Adjust the text size and position. After that, drag and move frame by frame to follow the action. Simple yet effective tracking. And for that extra touch, make your text zoom across the screen. Go to Settings, mark the entry point, and drag to the exit point. You've just added some gaming flair to your subtitles. That's it, gamers. You've mastered the art of gaming subtitles in DaVinci Resolve 18. If you found this tutorial helpful, give it a thumbs up. And remember to subscribe for more content creation tips. Until next time, happy gaming and editing.